Hi there. iPhone 15 regular? 14 regular? 14 Pro? Yes, of course I do. Yes. Do you need one right now? I'm open till 9 o'clock, but I could do it within a minute.
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay, if it's a minute,
1 minute, my dear.
okay, sometime.
Oh, look at that cat. Good cat.
Yeah.
Would you like a matte one or would you want a shiny one?
No, I'm not. That no one can see.
Yes.
But the shiny one is the same.
Same. They're both privacy. I have a matte feeling, I have a shiny feeling. Both. Shiny feeling?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yeah.
How much is it?
It's $25.
It's so high.
$25.
Isn't it expensive?
I will do the expensive one for you, for which I charge $40. But I'll do the same. I'll do that for you for $25.
Oh, thank you.
You're
Where are you
welcome.
from?
Pakistan.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yer Hamsaya.